In this video, I'm going to show you how to start buying and selling crypto through spot trading on LBank in just a few simple steps. I will show you how to create an account, deposit funds, and navigate the LBank spot trading interface. Plus, I will show you how to save on trading fees using my referral link. But first things first, you will need an LBank account. If you do not have one, click the link in the description below and create an account. The beauty of LBank is that it is beginner friendly, has low fees, and you can start trading in minutes. Make sure you only use the link from the description so you can get the fee discount and avoid phishing scams. It is very common in crypto, so just be careful. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me quickly explain why LBank is one of the best platforms for newcomers to start spot trading. First, LBank has one of the most user-friendly interfaces in the crypto space. Unlike other exchanges that overwhelm you with charts and data, LBank keeps things clean and simple. You can find what you need without getting lost in menus. Second, the trading fees are incredibly competitive. LBank offers some of the lowest spot trading fees in the industry, which means more profit stays in your pocket. And if you use my referral link in the description, you will get an additional discount on those fees. Third, LBank lists hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including many altcoins you will not find on major exchanges. This gives you access to early stage projects and more trading opportunities. Fourth, the platform has strong security measures including two-factor authentication, cold wallet storage, and regular security audits. Your funds are protected. And finally, LBank has 24/7 customer support. If you ever run into issues, there is always someone available to help you out. So whether you are brand new to crypto or just looking for a better platform to trade on, LBank checks all the boxes. Now let me show you exactly how to use it. Once you use the link in the description below, you will land on the LBank registration page. You will see options to sign up with your email or phone number. I recommend using email as it is the most straightforward method. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and make sure to write it down somewhere safe. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms of service, then click register. LBank will send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, copy that code, and paste it into the verification field. If you do not see the email, check your spam folder. Once verified, you are in. No lengthy KYC process required to start trading. You can begin with basic verification and upgrade later if you want higher withdrawal limits. That is it. Your LBank account is now active and ready to use. Now that your account is set up, let us deposit some funds so you can start trading. LBank gives you multiple ways to deposit, and I will show you the most common methods. At the top right corner of the home page, you will see a button that says Deposit. Click it, then select Deposit Cryptocurrency from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. For this tutorial, I recommend depositing USTD because most trading pairs on LBank use USTD as the base currency. It is a stablecoin, which means its value stays close to $1, making it perfect for trading. Click on USTD and you will see different network options. This is very important. You need to choose the correct network that matches where you are sending from. The most common networks are TRC20, ERC20, and BEP20. TRC20 is on the Tron network and has the lowest fees. ERC20 is on Ethereum and has higher fees but is widely supported. BEP20 is on Binance Smart Chain and offers a good balance. Let me give you an example. If you are sending USDT from Binance and you select BEP20 on Binance, you must also select BEP20 on LBank. If the networks do not match, your funds will be lost forever. So double check this. Once you select your network, LBank will generate a deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Do not type it manually because one wrong character means your funds are gone. Go to your external wallet or exchange, paste the LBank deposit address, select the same network, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Your funds will appear in your LBank account within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. TRC20 is usually the fastest. One more thing. If you do not have any crypto yet, LBank also allows you to buy crypto directly with a credit or debit card. Just click on one-click buy in the same dropdown, select your currency, choose your payment method, and follow the steps. It is quick and convenient for complete beginners. All right, now that we have created a wallet, linked it to LBank, and deposited some funds, let us dive into spot trading. This is where you can buy and hold coins. whether you're looking for long-term investments or just want to trade some altcoins. To go to the spot trading interface, hover over the SPOT in the top navigation menu, then click on Spot Trading. You will see a familiar interface if you have used any exchange before. Let me break down what you are looking at. On the upper left, you will see your trading pairs like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. You can search for any coin or scroll through the list. What is really cool about LBank is they list coins that you will not find on major centralized exchanges. In the center, you have got the price chart. You can switch between different time frames like 5 minutes, 1 hour, daily, or whatever you prefer. The chart shows you the price movement and helps you make informed trading decisions. On the right side, you have got your order book. Here you can see all the buy and sell orders currently on the market. The green numbers are buy orders and the red numbers are sell orders. This shows you the current supply and demand. On the rightmost side, you have got your order panel where you will actually place your trades. This is where the magic happens. Before you start trading, make sure your funds are in your spot wallet. If you deposit it into your main wallet, you will need to transfer them. Just click on Assets, then Transfer, select from Main Account to Spot Account. Choose USDT, enter the amount, and confirm. It is instant and free. Now let us talk about actually placing trades. First thing you want to do is choose what you want to trade. Click on the trading pair selector in the top left. You will see a list of all available coins. For this example, let us say I want to trade Ethereum. I will search for ETHUSTD and click on it. Now I'm looking at the Ethereum to USDT trading pair. When it comes to placing orders, you have got two main options, market orders and limit orders. A market order is the simplest way to trade. You buy or sell at whatever the current price is. This is great when you want to get in or out of a position quickly. But keep in mind, you might not get the exact price you see on the screen, especially if there is low liquidity. Here is how to place a market order. Make sure you are on the Market tab in the Order panel. Choose Buy or Sell. Enter the amount you want to trade or click Max to use all your available balance. Then click Buy ETH or Sell ETH. Confirm the transaction and that is it. Your order will execute immediately at the best available price. A limit order gives you more control. You set the exact price you want to buy or sell at. This is useful when you want to get a better entry or exit point. But there is no guarantee your order will fill if the price does not reach your target. Here's how to place a limit order. Click on the Limit tab. Choose Buy or Sell. Enter the price you want to buy or sell at. Enter the amount you want to trade. Then click Buy ETH or Sell ETH. Your order will now sit in the order book until someone takes it or until you cancel it. You can see your open orders at the bottom of the screen under Open Orders. If you want to cancel an order, just click the Cancel button next to it. And just like that, you now own Ethereum. You will see it show up in your portfolio under Spot Balance. Now, when you want to sell, it is the exact same process, just in reverse. Make sure you are on the right trading pair, ETHUSTD in this case. Click Sell. Enter the amount of ETH you want to sell, or click Max to sell it all. Click Sell ETH, confirm, and your ETH will be converted back to USDT. You will see your USDT balance increase. One thing to keep in mind is trading fees. LBank charges a small fee on each trade, but remember, if you use my referral link, you are getting a discount on those fees. You can see the exact fee breakdown before you confirm any trade, so there are no surprises. At any time, you can check your balances by going to Assets in the top menu. Here you will see your spot balance, your account equity, your recent transactions. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. 1. Start small. If you are new to LBank, start with small amounts until you get comfortable with the interface. 2. Use limit orders for better prices. If you are not in a rush, limit orders can help you get better entry and exit points. 3. Check liquidity. Before trading, check the order book. If there is not much volume, you might get slippage on market orders. 4. Keep some USDT. Do not convert all your funds into coins. Keep some USDT on hand so you can take advantage of opportunities when they come up. 5. Track your trades. Use the portfolio page to keep track of your performance. It is easy to lose track if you are making a lot of trades. And that is the full tutorial on how to use spot trading on LBank. Before you go, remember to use the link in the description below to get the discount on your trading fees. This bonus is only available if you use my link, so definitely do not miss out on that. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more crypto content like this. You can also save this video to your playlist so you can come back to it whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.